Hi guys, welcome. This is Stardust LV and today we're gonna do a small unboxing and a big unboxing from Louis Vuitton, and let's start with this small one. And this is something that I already own, but I bought another pair, and this is a pair of earring, and it's called Blooming earrings. And this pair is a mismatch earrings, and I really love I plan to put this on my, like, one pair in my other ear and then one pair in my other ear. I'm gonna show you what I have previously so that you're gonna know what I meant. So I have another pair of these blooming earrings, and this is it. It's the same ones as this one that I just got. So I'm planning to do like maybe a mismatch on my other ear, and then another mismatch on my other ear, or maybe like this LV on my first hole and then this flowers on my second hole, because I have two holes on each ring. So it's nice to have like both of each that looks basically the same. So I'm so excited to wear this together, all four of these. And let's put this aside and let's open the big box. So I have only one big purse, or one tote, if you say it like that, and it's a never full. So I got this huge tote. So I'll have a variety, and it is so big, guys. Again, I haven't seen this in person, so I just got this online. They say that this is a limited item, but right now, if you look at the website, it's always popping up as we can place it in cart. So this is the receipt, and I'll just put the price down below. So let me get this huge box. So huge. Okay, let's open it, guys. And it's really so huge. And I guess you already know what it is if you are familiar with the popular totes that Louis Vuitton has as of the moment. So let's open it together and see what's inside. And inside has this huge cloth dust bag. I also unboxed a while ago a Pauline Numero Uno Nano crossbody purse. So I'll put it on the link down below if you are interested in that, because it is also a new release. And okay, guys, let's open it together. And this is the on-the-go tote in reverse, giant monogram, big. So here at the side, it has the regular Louis Vuitton pattern, and I have here my pochette piece in reverse. And it looks like this, side by side, so with the regular pattern. However, it's the giant pattern here in front, and the side is also the same as the regular monogram pattern of the pochette métis, and at the back it looks like this. So at the bottom it looks like this. So it is just so pretty. I can see that you can really put a lot of stuff here, and this is best for traveling and maybe as an everyday purse as well. As you can see, it is actually comfy when you put it on your shoulder, and I guess I can wear this daily as well. I just have to get used on wearing big tote again, because I already sold all my big bags, and now that I'm into crossbody small purses, I guess I can use big bags again with this. And together it looks like this. yeah, it's nice that the handle has a long drop, so you can still have the silhouette of whatever you wear. It's not like you are drowning by the look of your purse, but since this is slim and long, like you can still see the silhouette of your form, if you get what I mean, guys. So yeah, this is it. On the go tote bag in GM, and it is just so big. It is well made and so thick. The canvas is so thick. It has no feet at the bottom. Maybe in the future, Louis Vuitton will add feet if they know that the customer would want feet at the bottom, as I would want feet on this. And also inside has this lock hook. So maybe I'm gonna buy a insert with a zipper on top so that the items that you're gonna put inside will be secure if you're gonna bring it for travel. Because I understand if we go for travel, we put this under the, like if you are on the plane, you're gonna put it under the seats in front. So it's better to have another bag organizer here inside that has a zipper on, and it has this red lining in here and zip compartment here, and also this two small pockets here, and just a big compartment here at the bottom. And it is just so huge, like it's almost half of my arm. And by the way, guys, I am 5'4", and it really fits me well. I think I don't. It's huge, but because the handle is long, like I don't really see it overwhelming, surprisingly. And also, if you're gonna wear it at the crook of your arm, looks like this. So if you're gonna wear it at the crook of your arm, it is really big. Like you can really see the size of the purse if you're gonna wear it like that or down. But I am just surprised that if I'll put it here on the side of my shoulder, it doesn't really look I don't know, maybe it's just me. Please comment down below, guys, if you think it's overwhelming if I'll put it here at the side of my shoulder, because I really don't see it so overwhelming unless I'll turn on my side. But in front, I just see it like a regular bag. I don't know, like it's just shocking that I hesitated at first to get this because it is just so big, but in person it looks like I can wear this for daily use. So this is the on the go tote in reverse, and I'm so glad that I got this. So happy that I have this to add in my collection, and for once I didn't get a crossbody Louis Vuitton purse, but instead I went into the practical side, that I got the big tote since I only have one Neverfull as my tote. So let me know, guys, what you think of this. If you are eyeing on this as well, if you are, go visit the website, because right now it's always popping up as place in cart, so we can get it. So take care, everyone, and may all of you have a wonderful day. Please like this video if you like it, and please do subscribe. So I'll see you again next time. Till next time, bye.